So, hello friends, we are going to see how artificial intelligence and machine learning are important in electricity distribution sector. What importance do artificial intelligence and machine learning holds in electricity distribution sector? We have seen that this electricity distribution lines, how they are connected, but how we can use AI and ML in order to improve our electricity grid and in order to utilize the electricity efficiently. So here we will see how AI and ML is used in electricity distribution sector. It's an overview of applications and innovations. This is the image. This is the bar graph taken from the study done by the experts in electricity sector. The benefits of AI and ML is shown graphically here. Here we can see load forecasting bar is here. How the load forecasting has improved 25% due to use of AI and ML. This is fault detection. Fault detection has improved its efficiency by 30% due to the use of AI and ML. Then energy theft detection has increased by 20%. Then smart grid. The smart grid integration and management has been possible and its efficiency gain has been 35%. So this is how the AI and ML benefits in electricity distribution sector. Now, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing every field, and electricity distribution sector is one of them. So what are the key focus in order to improve the electricity distribution sector using AI and ML? First would be enhanced efficiency. The use of electricity, distribution of electricity, efficiency should be high so that we can maximize our gains. Then it also helps in predictive maintenance. In order to run the electricity distribution network proficiently, we have to do predictive maintenance. We have to see which line, which fault can occur, which will be determined earlier and will be rectified in order to minimize the outage. Then we will see the smart grid management due to AI and ML. Now this is role of AI and ML in electricity distribution. So first is load forecasting. What is load forecasting? With the help of AI and ML, we can forecast what would be the demand of electricity, say in next hour, say in next month, say in next year. So this is known as load forecasting. It will help in planning the purchase of electricity and power from electricity generation company, from grid companies. So this is how load forecasting is possible with the help of AI and ML. Then second would be fault detection and prevention. So in order to minimize the outage of electricity, we have to determine the fault and prevent the fault from occurring so that the outage will be minimized. So fault detection and prevention is possible due to AI and ML. Then energy theft detection. As we have seen, it has increased due to use of AI and ML. Energy theft is one of the biggest challenge in electricity distribution sector in India because this results in loss of revenue to the electricity distribution company, and due to this the other consumers bear their burden. So energy theft is illegal and it's an offense in Electricity Act 2003, which is given by the government. Then next would be automated decision making. AI and ML can automate the decision making so that, for example, if the forecast load forecast has suggested that tomorrow there is demand of electricity would be 1.5 megawatt, so the decision can be automated so that the procurement of 1.5 megawatt of electricity can be automated from the grid. So this can automate decision making process. Then grid optimization. With the help of AI and ML, the grid utilization and optimization of its infrastructure can be increased. Next is load forecasting. So the first point was load forecasting. Here energy demand prediction is made possible using historical data. So AI and ML will give us the historical data, how the demand has reduced or increased in the recent past, so that we can predict the energy demand. Then optimize power generation and distribution. So in order to improve the efficiency of power generation company, power plant, we have to optimize the power generation process so that the required electricity is generated and the same is utilized through distribution, because excess of energy is a loss, and the less amount of energy generated is also a loss. So we have to maintain that optimized requirement of energy generation through distribution companies, and this is made possible with the help of artificial learning and intelligence. Reduce operational cost. So when we optimize power generation distribution, it is going to reduce the operational cost for power generation companies also, and for distribution sector also, because for generation of electricity we need coal, we need the boilers, we need men. So in order to reduce the operational cost, we have to use them judiciously. Only the required coal will be utilized, not excess, not less. So this reduces the operational cost. Then we have fault detection and predictive maintenance. So here AI and ML will help in detection of anomalies in real time. So the sensors we have put on the distribution line, on electricity line, on distribution transformer can help us detect the anomalies. For example, if there is a red hot due to overheating of the line conductor, that can be detected in very in advance so that the maintenance can be carried out. So it detects the anomalies in real time. The next would be reduce downtime through early warnings. So as we have discussed, in order to detect the red hot condition, we need to install sensors. This will reduce our downtime because we have predicted that fault can occur at this point. So we have maintained it. We have carried out maintenance, predictive maintenance. So we have reduced the downtime through early warnings. Then we can schedule the maintenance proactively, as we have discussed. Energy theft detection. Analyze consumption patterns. So with the help of smart meters, we can analyze the consumption patterns of the consumers, if there is any anomaly of if there is any, what we can say, manipulating of the electricity meter, or if there is any tampering event in the electricity meter, that can be analyzed with the help of AI and ML. Identify unusual behavior is done with the help of meter analysis. Then it reduces non-technical losses. Non-technical losses are theft losses, which can be reduced with the help of AI and ML. Then next would be smart grid management. How smart grid management is effected with the help of AI and ML. Real data analysis. So with the help of sensors, we get the real-time data. So this real-time data can be analyzed, and this data is utilized in order to manage the grid, what we can manage the requirement of electricity. Then integration of renewable energy. The solar plants or wind plants which we have installed can be integrated with the help of AI and ML. Then dynamic grid control and automation. The grid control can be made possible in real time, because when renewable energy, for example, if there is any solar power plant that will produce more energy during the daytime, and that is dynamic. During daytime it will produce more energy, during night time it reduces, and there is no production of electricity in the solar power plant. So that is a dynamic situation. In this dynamic situation, we have to control the grid with the help of automation. This is made possible with the help of artificial intelligence. And these are some case studies where artificial intelligence is used. For example, in Tata Power Mumbai uses artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance and outage management. This reduces the downtime by 20%. Then BSES, Rajdhani Power in Delhi, ML algorithm is used for load forecasting and peak load management. Then Telangana State Southern Power Distribution Company Limited uses AI to detect power theft with smart meters. So this we have discussed. Then UK, these are global examples, implemented AI to optimize grid performance and integrate renewable resources. Here UK and other European countries are moving towards net zero emissions. So they are optimizing grid performance and integrating renewable resources with them with the help of AI. Then Italy, Enel Group. This uses ML in predictive maintenance of electrical substations, smart meter data analysis. Then in USA, uses AI for wildfire risk analysis and intelligence asset management. These are the case studies we have taken from global, and these are Indian examples. So what are the challenges of AI and ML in electricity distribution sector? The first and the biggest challenge would be data privacy concerns, because as the data will be available of the consumption pattern of consumers, the privacy issue kicks in here. Then high initial investment would be required in order to install sensors, then smart meters, then other equipments, then softwares. A skilled workforce would be required. Then integration with legacy system. Legacy system are outdated or conventional system which do not use AI and ML. We have to integrate that outdated or the non-smart infrastructure with the help of AI and ML. That is one of the biggest challenge. Then how the future looks like. We have to adopt AI tools in a greater manner. Then enhanced consumer participation. Consumers should be educated in order to install smart meters, in order to install smart meter apps so that they can visualize their consumption patterns of electricity. Then fully autonomous distribution network should be available with us. These are the future prospects. So we have discussed how AI and ML are transforming electricity distribution sector with improved reliability and efficiency, and this is going to be very cost effective. Then investing in AI ML is crucial for building smarter and sustainable power systems. So nothing is possible without electricity in today's world. So in order to build smarter and sustainable power system, we have to invest in AI and ML research and analysis so that we can build an efficient power system in today's world. So that's all, friends. We have seen how AI and ML are used in electricity distribution sector.